placed in the bin to be turned. I have sealed the bin, and all 350 tickets are in there and ready to play. Thank you.
And we also got Charlie Johnson up here, who's going to be writing the numbers. And Denise, Alyssa, Annie. I'm Rick, this is Josh. We have 50-50 tickets are available up here in this corner. Everybody sees the 50-50 tickets are still available. We're going to be drawing those. The drawing will be drawn at halftime, halfway through. All right, so we're going to have the lovely assistants up here, Annie, Alyssa, and Denise. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we go, first ticket out. All right, one reminder too, if you pull out the number on the number, that is $100. I did not mention that, I want to make sure I mention that. And we're starting out. Lucky ticket number 1, Stan Brady. Stan. 106. 106. Humboldt Fire Department. They were a past winner, I believe, 2 years ago. 61. 61. Brooks, the stretch. 192. 65. Jackie and Chuck Fisher. 102. Hang around. Yeah, that's close. Anybody? Somebody? Couple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think I saw a couple more. Alright, I think we're getting ready back up here in just a few minutes. And we will announce the winner of that. And we will start it back up. $200 winner to ticket number 340. Gary Probst. 126. Keith Scott. 126. All right. 124. 124. Mark Andrews, Jeff Strimmer. We got last two. This is the runner-up, is that right? Runner-up for $1,000. Drum roll, please. It is 43. Ticket number 43, Lexi Volk. There you go, Lexi. That's $1,000. Oh, you're not supposed to peek. And the winner is... I'm not sure if I can read it, but 330. Ticket number 330. G. Seaton. Gary Seaton? Gary Seaton? Is Gary here?